Good morning. Today's date is the 7th of June 2022, and this shooting in Philadelphia took took place on a Sunday, the 5th of June, 5/6. Society Jesus 5/6. Very strange day for it to happen, but it's all by the numbers. Using this code, well, it's often called gematria, but there's another word that is probably better phrase than gematria. Alphanumerics. This is the alphanumeric system that operates all over the world. It is a belief that this code is how our lives are run by, like my life is by the numbers. Everyone's life on this planet is by the numbers. The entire universe was created by the numbers. That's just a theory, not something I support or dismiss. I'm just neutral on that issue. That everything is by a code. This Kabbalistic code. And it's the case that the elite, the programmers, the priesthood are using this code. They basically hacked the code and are using it to rule over us. So this will happen. Multiple shooters opened fire in the South Street area of Philadelphia. At least 3 were killed and 11 others hit by gunfire Saturday night. Some more, several active shooters in the crowd. 239 mass shootings this year. Now, why is it that there's been so many mass shootings this year alone? You gotta at least ask a question like that, even if you don't think it's a conspiracy. Why there's been so many? Okay, just a bit of an error. It happened Saturday night, so I'm gonna have to redo this actually. Because it said it happened Saturday night, but in America that is. But I found out. Well, I found out it happened. The story first came on. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to adjust this because I put 5th of June, but it's actually the 4th. So let me go to my date to date. I sometimes use the app, but the only thing the app can't do is the end date. So I'm just gonna, if I can go to it somehow. Come on, stupid internet. Piece of shit, internet. Having Wi-Fi issues. I don't know why in this country we got such a weak Wi-Fi. I don't put a 4G on, but unfortunately I have to put it on. Very frustrating. I did see that the incident took place on the 4th, even though we found out. Obviously, time is different, America and Britain, so it's well, now this is interesting. Even if I adjust it, because I had to adjust it because I had to point to the actual day it happened, you get 1081 weeks, and the day that happened, well, on the 55th day of the year, 96 date in numerology, the Queen is 96 years old. Happens on Jubilee weekend. She's 96 at the time. 210 days left in the year. Then it gets in the news on 209. It's on the news on the 156th day of the year. False flags 156, 209, as we will see in a bit. So 181. So 1081, which we just seen just now. So I have to do the date properly. We get Illuminati blood sacrifice 1081 in the satanic cipher. This is a new kind of decode I'm doing. I am doing what's called long counts, where you go back in time to do a date, and if you get like a very big value, big numerical value, you can type it in the calculator and type in, say, satanic cipher or primes cipher or extended or Jewish, maybe not Jewish cipher, or squares. You get some interesting words and phrases. This is a satanic cipher, this one. In the reverse satanic, you get the Bavarian Illuminati. So this undoubtedly proves that this entire incident is by the numbers. It's coded, heavily coded. Just gonna go back to the website. Yeah, 248 months. 248. The word shot is 248. The number of mass shootings. This is from one of my subscribers, Abby Lynn. She put this up, sent this to me, so I thought, okay, I'll use that. Al Qaeda terrorist attack is 239, a reference to 9/11. September 11th is 239, in reference to September 11th. So I definitely had to include it because these numbers reference 9/11. Masonic Rituals 248, the Francis Bacon ciphers, which it is. Then, what's interesting, if you got a 0, you can just take it out and you get 181. And then first Francis Bacon assault rifle is 181. Let's see what's happening here. Because that's what the weapons are often used in mass shootings. It's always an assault rifle, AR-15, or whatever you want to call it. Philadelphia 65. Though it happened. Obviously, again, it's about time difference, isn't it? If a mass shooting happens in the United States, in Britain we find out a different day. We found out on a Sunday, even though it happened on a Saturday in America. So in the UK we find out about this incident on 5/6 or 6/5, and Philadelphia 6/5 shooting. Again, the story we hear about the story on Sunday because it happened Saturday night. Shooting is 107, which is 17, killed 17. The phrase several active shootings is 113, like 3 dead and 11 injured or wounded during the Jewish cipher. Killed is 209. Again, the story in the date of the story published was on the 209 days of the year. Killed is 209. The man in charge was Thomas Westerman Wolf, the current governor of Pennsylvania, the 47th governor, which is interesting. Here he is. Another shock, you could say. From his time as governor till when the incident first got reported is 88 months. His name equals 88. and 56 as a society of Jesus 56, and the day that it was reported. (218), which is death in the English extended cipher. 218. 187, society just 187. 83 like murder. He's got murder numbers all over the place. From his time in office to the report, when he got reported the incident, it's 384. False flags 384, satanic cipher. Hegelian dialectics 384, Francis Bacon cipher. Basically, goes back to Hegel. Create the problem, like script a mass shooting, get a reaction, and offer a solution. Very straightforward, the Hegelian dialectic. Kill in 384, reverse English Armenian is 384. Psyops in the primes is 384. 3 dead. It's 47. He's the 47th governor, and 56, the date of the story first got reported. Now, I'm going to do something else as well. June 5th. Just try to cover all bases. That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, look, even if I put the wrong date, because the actual incident happened on June the 4th, you still get 384 and 88 weeks. Take that off. So I've covered 88 and 384. Interesting to note that it happened on 4/6 or 6/4. The shooting. Sacrifice day. And you write it another way, you get synagogue of Satan. Kill is also 64. So that's the mass shooting in Philadelphia. See you guys soon. This video will be uploaded soon, hopefully.